Hello everyone, in this video, I will present my project on Walmart. I hope you enjoy listening to it and learning. Walmart company project development. So what are the development required to do on the Walmart? Business objectives, project objectives, challenging phases Walmart. So Walmart is a company that operates from international perspective and has grown to be among the most successful in retail businesses. The company opened its first store in the year 1962, and it has since then changed the retail businesses. As technology has evolved, Walmart has incorporated technology to provide customers with a good experiences with the service and products. Customers can visit the stores and purchase the product they need or order them online through technology. Business objectives. Walmart aims to solve societal issues using channels that add value to stakeholders and businesses. The company also aims to create better economic opportunities for suppliers and associates and support the local communities. The retail company also implemented measures to create environmental sustainability which would benefit the entire nation. Walmart focused on creating improved wellness health services for its customers. Health and wellness would be enhanced by pharmacists' availability to respond the customer. Project objectives enhance and preserve human rights, grow the retail businesses by providing equitable opportunities. This means the project aims to grow the retail businesses by enhancing inclusive and equitable opportunities that will improve the livelihood of all associates in all economic sectors. Through the initiative, Walmart is on the front line toward preserving and protecting human rights. Challenging challenges facing Walmart. Digital transaction into e-commerce via pricing factor. One challenge Walmart faces in the digital transaction into e-commerce is the pricing factor. So the retail company still needs to implement enough technology measures to help forecast changes in the prices of commodities in the real time. Prices of the products in the market may change regularly due to several factors, where the companies dealing in the e-commerce and the retail businesses need not detect any change in the price of their commodities. E-commerce businesses require specific technologies that are very useful. Agile software development methodology recommendations. Scrum in Agile provides a framework full of flexibility, team collaboration, and iterative development. Scrum is a popular agile methodology that involves breaking down a project into smaller, more manageable pieces called sprints. Each sprint is a short iteration that focuses on delivering the most important feature first and coming out with a potential deliverable product. Scrum emphasizes team collaboration, self organization, and continuous improvement. Self organization is a Scrum principle that ensures the team take full responsibility for the project. This means that the team members are empowered to make decisions and take actions that will help the project succeed. Self organization fosters creativity, innovation, and ownership among team members. To back up the Scrum, there is a need for tools such as user story mapping used in the visualization project features. User story mapping is a technique used to organize and prioritize user stories, which are short descriptions of a feature from the perspective of the user. User story mapping helps the team to visualize the project and prioritize team based on their importance to the users. Or adopting agile and Scrum help team to change project requirements successfully. Agile and Scrum are designed to handle changes and uncertainties common to many software development projects. Agile emphasizes flexibility and adaptability, while Scrum provides a framework for iterative development and continuous improvement. By adopting Agile and Scrum, the team can respond to changes quickly and effectively. Business analysis and design for the Walmart e-commerce system. The function first are the functional requirements, and there are non-functional requirements, business process models, and project management timeline. Functional requirements, which are the third-party integration, provide more efficient and reliable payment option. Mobile friend lines and responsive system increases sales traffic. Product attributes, features, and characteristics of products. Order and checkout flow. These are all comes under like functional requirements. Let's go to non-functional requirements. Usability, easiness of the system to use, secure and secure customer to data safety, maintainability, which is the cost and time management of the system on a service delivery, performance, ability of the system to deliver services effectively and on time, availability, how the system is accessible by the intended customer, business process model, which is a graphical presentation that shows operations carried out within an organization. Example of the business model is business to consumer model, business to business model. Project management timeline, a schedule that compromises all the tasks needed to implement a project. Next slide. System analysis and design. Process of determining the elements of a system based on specific requirements. Compromises of class system. These are the blueprints of the class. Attributes. Any variable found in the class. Example, name, type, and visibility. Operation of each class. These are the parameter properties that includes name, default value, and the direction. The relationship between each class show the interactions between the classes. In conclusion, system analysis and design is a crucial process in the development of a system. It involves determining the elements of a system based on the specific requirements, including the class system, attributes, operations, relationship between classes, and class diagrams are used to model the objects that make up the system to describe what those objects do. Is a use case and design analysis diagram. This shows connections between objects and how the connections occurs. These are the schemes of sequence diagrams. Actors, the object that interacts with the system, messages, interaction between the objects, activation, the period in which an operation is performed, lifeline. This is an individual participant and mostly located at the top of use case diagram. Use case diagram used to designate the high-level functions and scope of the system. Schemes of use case diagrams are actors, people that systems interacts with, systems itself and the services it is made to offer, lines, they symbolize the relationship. These are the data flow diagram, visual presentation of how the data is transferred through Walmart activities. The data flow shows the data flow from the data stores, processes, and entities. Data store act as a repository. External entity is a person, department, object, or a system. These are the data dictionary. The dictionary is nothing but is a selection of a data, descriptions of a data items in a data model. These are the features, entity, a real world object or a concept, attribute, a place in the database that holds informations, data types, defines what type of data is allowed in the field. And length description describe the meaning and the purpose of data elements in the project in the context, constraints, rule enforced on the data column of a table. Walmart project evaluation. We have executive summary, which are the purpose and objectives of the report, decisions, and title of the choice being made, evaluation criteria, relevance, efficiency, sustainability, effectiveness. The relevance, this is the criteria, access, whether the objects of the intervention are the adequately defined, realistic, and feasible, whether the indicators for the measuring the achievement of the objectives are validated according to generally accepted criteria such as the SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relatable, and timely indicators. The evaluations that consider relevance should appropriated objects have been operationalized in ways that reflect good practice. Evaluation method tools used in understanding the steps needed to conducting health evaluations. So examples of such tools used include Walmart company include deployed security and encrypted systems. Per chart. Walmart project evaluation findings provide insights into project progress. Evaluation findings are very fundamental in managing project development. One of the uses of this evaluation finding is to provide insights into the project progress. An example of insight if the project is fulfilling its intended objectives and the positive impact it is making. Outcomes. These are the result of what the project achieved, for whom, and under what circumstances. Highlighting the outcomes that have failed to achieve is also essential. Outputs. What outputs is what has already been delivered and to whom and when. Process. How did you deliver your output is nothing but process. And the procedure. Start by defining the solution. Eliminate the solution that does not fit project constraints. Test the solution after doing the elimination. Evaluate the risk associated with the best solution. So these are the references which I took on during the whole Walmart project. Thank you.